Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix resampledmo.dll not found or missing in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to resolve this problem, you have to type two command line in command prompt. So first one, click on start, type here cmd, select run as administrator, type this command sfc space and slash scan now. So type this command and press enter. Now wait few minutes to complete this scanning. Now once guys this scanning complete, type the second command line dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup image space slash restore health. Then press enter. Now wait this scanning complete. It will take couple of minutes, and once this scanning will complete, close it and restart. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy method we can fix and resolve resample dmo.dll not found or missing in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.